Everything you've heard about goldfish memory is wrong. This myth hurts pets, and most people still believe it. Studies show goldfish remember for months, not seconds. Here's how the 3-second lie fooled millions. Cartoons, casual conversations about pets. It suggests a goldfish is in a constant state of surprise, perpetually rediscovering its tiny glass world every few moments. The idea feels right because of the image we have of them. We often see them circling in small, unadorned bowls, an environment so simple that a short memory seems like a mercy. This cultural shorthand is deeply misleading and paints a false picture. The origin of this myth is not rooted in scientific observation. Instead, it likely grew from how we've historically kept these animals. For centuries, goldfish have been kept in small, minimalistic glass bowls. A simple decoration, but a terribly impoverished life for the fish. The myth provides a convenient excuse. If the fish cannot remember its surroundings for more than a few seconds, then a small, boring space would not cause it distress. The idea became a popular piece of trivia, easy to remember and repeat. Despite its popularity, this enduring myth is completely false. It dramatically underestimates the cognitive abilities of fish. The belief persists because it absolves us of responsibility for better care. To say a creature cannot form lasting memories diminishes its experience. It frames the animal as a machine rather than a being that learns and adapts. Science, however, tells a very different and far more interesting story. Scientific research has thoroughly and repeatedly dismantled the 3-second memory myth. Biologists and animal behaviorists have conducted numerous studies demonstrating long-term memory in goldfish. These are controlled experiments designed to test learning and retention over time. Goldfish prove to be surprisingly capable students. They can associate specific signals with events, most commonly the arrival of food. This is classical conditioning, like a dog getting excited at the sound of its food bag. It's a building block of intelligence. Common experiments use simple cues, colors, sounds. Researchers place a red plastic tube and a blue tube in different corners. They release food only near the red tube. Quickly, goldfish learn to go to red at mealtime. They swim to the red tube when hungry, ignoring the blue one. Then researchers remove the fish for weeks or months and later reintroduce them. The fish still remember and swim to the red tube immediately. Other experiments show goldfish remember sounds too. Scientists play a musical note, a buzzing sound, right before dropping food. The fish learn the sound is a dinner bell. After a few sessions, the sound alone brings them to the surface. Going beyond simple color and sound association, more complex experiments reveal deeper cognitive skills in goldfish. Researchers have trained goldfish to perform active tasks. For example, fish were taught to push a small colored lever to release a food pellet. This is operant conditioning. The animal must perform an action to get a reward. The fish not only learned which lever to push, but remembered the skill for long periods. Another line of research: teaching goldfish to navigate mazes. A simple aquatic maze with arrows indicating the correct path to a reward. The fish must make a series of correct turns to reach food at the end. They learn by trial and error, and with each success, their time gets faster. They're clearly creating a mental map of their environment. When tested after a significant break, trained fish solve the maze much faster than new fish. This spatial learning shows a memory system that is functional and durable. These experiments mirror challenges fish face in the wild. Finding and remembering the route to a hiding spot or a food source is a maze of its own. The ability to learn and recall these paths is a critical survival skill. Furthermore, memory plays a crucial role in the social lives of fish. Many fish, including goldfish, can recognize other individuals. They can remember dominant or aggressive tank mates and learn to avoid them, reducing conflict and injury. They can also recognize their human caregivers, a behavior that demonstrates recognition and the learned association between that person and the positive experience of being fed. This understanding of animal memory has a profound lesson for us. If we know that a fish can remember its environment, then we must accept that a small, barren bowl is a recipe for boredom and chronic stress. This knowledge transforms the goldfish from a disposable decoration into a living being. We have a moral obligation to care for our pets thoughtfully. The classic goldfish bowl should be retired. Provide a properly sized tank, good filtration, and enriching features like plants, smooth rocks, and caves. Rotate decor periodically to prevent boredom and encourage natural exploration. When someone repeats the myth, kindly explain that goldfish remember for months and deserve care to match. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share.